Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the biggest drains. First, update FunTouch OS and apps so system services run efficiently. Once done, drop screen brightness to around 30–50% and enable adaptive brightness to let the phone adjust automatically. Then enable battery saver to limit background activity and consider turning off 5G or Wi-Fi when not needed. These quick actions reduce obvious power sinks and buy you time for deeper tuning in the next steps. Next, target persistent power users. You should restrict auto start and background activity for apps that abuse resources. Go into app settings, disable auto start for non-essential apps, and limit background data per app so syncs run only when you choose. Make sure location is set to battery saving or off, turn off Bluetooth scanning, and increase email/calendar sync intervals. Also enable dark mode for compatible apps and reduce animation scale in developer options to cut GPU load and save battery over time. Finish by auditing battery usage in settings to spot rogue apps and check battery health. A heavily degraded battery needs replacement. Use the original charger and cable and disable fast charge if your phone overheats frequently because heat destroys capacity. If things still misbehave, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the drain. Uninstall suspicious apps one at a time. If nothing works, back up data and consider a factory reset or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.